Alright, we're about to put some labeling on our car. I removed the labeling. You can wash the old label, factory label. If you want, you can watch that video also. First, you want to clean the areas with alcohol. This is going to be for my Pikachu tail wiper blade. And I'm going to be putting a label here, so you want that area clean. And we're putting a label over here, you want that area clean with alcohol. Alright. And of course, the license plate. First will be next we're going to do the wiper. Here's the Pikachu wiper blade. That's pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm. How many do you have? Only two? I wouldn't go that close. I'd space it out some. Just because if the wind hits it at the right, it's going to rip it off.
Try it right there. This should be out right there, right?
Yeah, as long as they're spaced out proportionately. Yep. Looks cute. Just wish it was longer.
That's perfect for the size wiper we have though. Well,
oh, hello.
Alright, now for the last step. You guys want me to focus on that. This is where you get them at.
Wiper tags. Yeah, that's where we got our Jason off of. Well, I didn't get him. My friend got him for me. Great company. They last for a long time.
Alright, here is our Pokemon labeling. I'm not going to use all of it. I kind of don't want to go, so I'm going to at least use this. I'm going to at least use the Pokeball. I was thinking about the Pokeball over there.
By itself, and then the Pokemon edition over there. That's cute. I would, hold on, before you do this, just do me a favor. Rewipe. I'm a fan of rewiping and making sure everything's properly cleaned exactly where you want to put it.
That works.
Because your car is kind of dirty.
We'll put it where the factory one was at. Alright.
Wax on, wax off.
I'll
Daniel-san.
wipe it again. You don't want the oil on your fingers getting on there. We'll let that dry a little bit and we'll rewipe the other side. Alright. How's that look?
Good. Bring the end up just a tad bit more. There you go.
Should I put that addition underneath?
Yes. Did you wipe off a big enough space?
Yeah.
Okay. Nope, up a little bit more. Again, bring the end up a tad bit. It just looks like, yeah, that's perfect, I think.
There we go.
Need some bigger Pokeballs up on this car.
Well, I got them all over. No, we didn't get them.
I am.
Alright, these are our first Pokemon projects that we did so far. We got more on the way, so once they get in, you guys will make more videos.
We're making a face with our cricket.
Yeah, we'll be doing some more projects if you guys want to stay tuned and see what the project will look like when it's done. Also remember to give us a like, subscribe, and a thumbs up, and let us know what else you want to see us install on this little project car. Alright, we also have an exhaust and a cold air intake on the way, so keep you guys posted. Just remember to watch. Thanks.